Well, it turns out they weren't bluffing. The topper is still in here, and as you saw a couple days ago, I actually had the shop door open, and we were walking around in a t-shirt, 60-some degrees. So we actually put Jaden's truck in the garage so she could drive it to work this morning, put her little SUV in the shed, and then I had to bring the Tahoe in here. But she made it to work this morning. It took her an hour and 45 minutes, which is about double what it normally does. And here's why. So it is a full blizzard here. I'm gonna try to get the first snow removal done right now because I don't see any way. I mean, there's like at least 12, 14 inches of snow already, and showing no signs of calming down. I'm supposed to do this all day. If I were to guess, I'd say we're probably gonna get about 2 feet. It's gonna be a good day. I think if I can at least get the skid loader around the shed and get some of this out of the way. I should hook up the snowblower, but somebody didn't think this through, being me. I left the snowblower in the upper part of the shed here, which I have barricaded shut. So we're just gonna go with the wide bucket and give her hell. I've already been down here once this morning with the dogs. The corgi had to follow in my footsteps. But skid loader's running. Yeah, blown in. Whew. We're gonna plow ourselves a little spot here, and I don't know how we're gonna get the hell out of here, but we'll manage. All right, see what we can wreck. This is gonna be fun. Like 2 feet. Just finishing up here, but as fast as it's coming down, looks like we're finishing up just to start over. Unbelievable. Just trying to get around the garage door now. I got no place to put it. I'm gonna run this over here actually. Unreal. I don't know that I've ever seen snow like this. I mean, I got no place to put it. Chiseling away, but it is time. It's been 3 years, I think, since we were able to actually ride at home. So you bet boys couldn't get here. Yeah, I'm hoping they'll come later, but right now riding solo, but that ain't gonna stop me. Good snow only is here for a short period of time, so we're gonna take advantage. It's cool and all having the lower half of the shed open like this, but you get one wrong wind, my shed is full of it. Everything's pretty covered here, but oh well. Get the sleds out of here. I got the four-wheeler in front of the door because it was really windy and I didn't want it to move too much. So I'm gonna untie that knot and open one side up and get a sled out of here. I think we're gonna take the black one here. It's clutched a little better for around here. One more, come on now. Recoil, don't kill me. For another round. Seems like the snow has let up, but the wind sure hasn't. I'm just saying there's a big bank there. If you're going back, you'll have to go out that way. There's Highway 93. There's two vehicles stuck down there along the road going into town. That's crazy. I got one. Why is your clutch smoking? Oh. Huh. Roll. Be fun. Saw that coming. I figured that'd be the hardest part. I was losing the battle, and then I kind of put the last dagger in the coffin.
Yeah, that was my only thing. I was like,
yeah, I didn't know how we were gonna turn. Well, now we're kind of because I mean. Yeah. Okay, and then we were losing ground. I'm like, I need more throttle. The throttle wasn't doing anything.
Yeah, I was gonna say the only thing is you have more speed maybe, but
yeah. What's that sound, Alex? Ding ding. Is Santa here? You'll straighten. Okay. I'll be honest, I'm gonna take you the long way around. And I'm probably going to keep some good speed. By the way, that was all she had. I can't believe we made it. Dude, I had the GoPro running. He mowed them trees down. He just